What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with you on the build. We have Sally back here, and we're actually heading to a toy drive. So the only times that we like to give back to the community, we're gonna head out to those events. So entrance for the toy drive is just one toy. We're gonna go ahead and wipe down Sally, go and show her off. Real quick, let me show you guys real quick what we have. We got our reindeers. We have our reindeer antlers on, and our red nose. And we have this beautiful J Money with us. So we're gonna be heading out there looking fly and fresh, you know. So, yay! Let's go.
Finn is dirty because we got caught in snow and found a dirt road, and I was scared, but we made it, and now we're here. Woo! And we're gonna take Sally out.
We're here, made it to Beach Park. Now we're looking for parking. See if all the other car homies came through. See the truckando cars. There's some mates right here. We have some trucks, a bunch of trucks.
That's a lot of trucks.
A lot of trucks. Leva Silverado pool. A lot of trucks. Oh, okay. Pretty cool. Alright guys, we just made it here. Starbucks on deck. I'm feeling really warm. Got the band and everything out there. Let the trucks do walk around. Let's get these toys for the kids.
Mechanical bull.
You're not down to ride the bull?
I'm not down.
Okay. Bam! Bam! Gender neutral. But
No, we're not.
we got one for the bros or the girls, or for the bros or girls, or whatever you want to identify as, you know. Yeah. So we got the two toys, so we're gonna go donate real quick. Then we're gonna vlog some cars real quick, talk to some builders, and see what's good with them. Okay.
I really want some tacos now.
You want some tacos now?
Yeah.
Go get some tacos. Look at Sally. Damn, she looks fire. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at Bae. Oh, she looking fire. Head to toe. Is that appropriate? Is that appropriate to you? We have toys! There you go. Thank you. Whoop. All these toys, bro. We'll first in college. Look at this. Bring some toys right now. Bring some toys right now. Alright, we're here with the VP and the president of this event. So, want to introduce yourself? Where you're from?
Bakersfield, Cookin County chapter.
Right on. And so, what is this event you guys are hosting today? Doing?
We're doing a toy drive, brother, to keep it in the community. All proceeds are going to the Jameson Center here in Bakersfield.
Oh, that's sick, man. I love it when I see people bring stuff back to the community, keeping everyone together. And I like how you guys also have the music, food, everyone's here together, just drink brew, chilling. So, what's your guys' mission statement as a crew? What do you guys do?
Have fun and working around.
That's right. Want to introduce yourself to? What's your name?
Jose Cachu from Bakersfield, California.
Right on.
We're just out here supporting people that can't afford toys or anything.
Right on.
Helping them out.
Right on. I see you guys have some trucks here too. You guys be okay to show off your build? Your build too? Yeah. Let's go check it out real quick. Yeah, let's see your build. All line up?
Whole lineup.
Whose one's is this one then?
That was mine.
Hey, let's just check out your build. Okay, show it off, man. Introduce yourself again.
Oh, Baruas, Bakersfield, California, Bulls Cookin County chapter.
Yeah.
I drive a 2017 Chevy Silverado.
Right on.
She's a crew cab, color red. Now she has a 410 lowering kit.
Nice.
She's running on E85 fuel, flex fuel system.
What number are you pulling?
I haven't dyno tuned it yet, man. I did a street tune on it still, so.
Oh, right on.
Long tubes, you know, basic intake, manifold, stuff like that.
Nice.
Re-geared. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. 410, 24s. running full tint.
Big, dude.
Yeah, 24 Stratas, spike lug nuts. You know, nothing crazy. I'll be all right. They'll be bigger by next year.
Wait, dude. Sick.
Are you in a lowering kit or is it just like stock suspension?
No, lowered. It's a 410 lowering kit.
Nice, sick, dude. Love this color.
Thanks,
And
man.
you guys you have a nice tint on here too and all that. All these are all the shows you've been to, right?
Oh, yeah.
Talk about some of these shows.
Been to Summer Madness, and if y'all know Summer Madness is something else.
I heard that was crazy this year.
Yeah, that was last year. Vegas last year. We're planning on going again this year. By the end of this year, it's gonna have 4 more shows on here.
Sick, dude. Man.
Yeah.
So, you have any shout out to any sponsors or anything that you want to say?
Yeah. Want to give a big shout out to Trucking Official here, JC Detailing, Prestige Mobile Tent, Micheladas and Tamarindo, Blessed Barber Parlor, my boy Frankie the Barber, Marisco Las Casolitas. Got a bunch of sponsors out here, man. So, and Medina's Party Rentals. Don't forget them. They got a big mechanical bull. Hopefully, you guys can get on that thing.
Sick, bro. High five, man. Thanks for being here with us, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you for giving back to the community and all that kind, dude.
No worries, man.
Yeah,
Every year.
All right, bro.
Thank you, man.
Here's a banger.
Un saludo de parte de su amigo Fruta San Luis. Recuerden seguirnos en nuestra página oficial Fruta San Luis 94. Estamos disponibles para cualquier clase de evento, bodas, bautizos, cumpleaños, decoraciones frutales y entregas a domicilio. Ven y disfruta nuestro inigualable sabor a tradición. Fruta San Luis. Y sigan a nuestro amigo.
Hi guys, how you guys doing? This is Benjamin. I'm a barber and also the owner of Blessed Barber Partner on 4501 Stein Road. We came out here on a Sunday, beautiful day today. Good thing it didn't rain. And we're supporting the Bull Straw Club, doing a toy drive. Came here, support, trying to show some love, trying to definitely get the community to be here and get it together, you know, and give back to the community. And it's a good feeling, you know, it's a good feeling to come out here, have some of the barbers that work with us too, and show support, show love to the community, and also donate some toys, you know. So we're out here. This is our name right here, Blessed Barber Partner. And like I said, you know, shout out to everybody who came here and supported us, and shout out to everybody that's here right now, and also Bull Straw Club that gave us the invitation to be here. Thank you guys. Make sure to follow us on Blessed Barber Partner Instagram, and check out our work. Give us a follow, give us a share. Thank you guys. Much love.
Alright guys, we're done here. We're gonna head out and go eat real quick with Faye. And we're gonna head out real quick. So, we're back home. Had some delicious pizza, supported the community, donated some toys for the kiddos. Yeah, that's it for this episode, huh?
Yeah.
That's it for today. So, that's going to do it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. New video out every Tuesday. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.